Namaste. Welcome to my Hindi tutorial, Easy Way to Learn Hindi. In today's session, we are going to see Lesson 9. As you all know, in English, the parts of speech are 8 in number: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. In this lesson, we are going to see noun, pronoun, and adjective, and in addition, reflexive pronoun. First, let us move on to noun, which is called Sanya in Hindi. A noun is a naming word. It can name a person, animal, place, thing, quality, state, idea, etc. Example: man, lion, house, table, purity, manhood, belief. Nouns are of 5 kinds. The first one, Jadivachak Sanya, which is called common noun. This common noun denotes a person or a place in general. Example, Ladki, which means girl. The second one, Vyaktivachak Sanya, that is called proper noun. Proper noun denotes a person or a place or thing in particular. Example, Chennai. Third one, Samugvachak Sanya. This is called collective noun. This denotes a group of persons. Example, army. Bhavvachak Sanya. An abstract noun is the name something which we cannot see or touch, but we can think of it. It may be the name of a quality, state, or idea. Example, beauty, Sundarta, childhood, Bachpan, hope, Asha. The fifth one, Dravyavachak Sanya, which is called material noun. A material noun is a noun which stands for the matter or substance with which we make things. Example, wool, woon, milk, doodh, clay, mritika. Now let us move on to Sarvanam, which is called pronoun. A pronoun is the substitute for noun. The noun it refers to is called its antecedent. The pronoun helps the speaker or writer to avoid clumsily repeating the name of the person every time. The Hindi pronouns are as follows: singular, main, tum, ye, wo, jo, kon, koi; plural, hum, aap, ye, ve, jo, kon; jo, who, that is called relative pronoun. In Hindi, it is called Sambandhvachak Sarvanam. Kon, who, that is interrogative pronoun. It is called Prashnavachak Sarvanam in Hindi. Koi, somebody or anybody, that is indefinite pronoun. In Hindi, it is called Anichayvachak Sarvanam. Now let us see Nijvachak Sarvanam, that is called reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun acts as a substitute for noun or pronoun. In Hindi, apna is used as reflexive pronoun in such cases. Apna has 3 forms. One, apna, apne, or apni. Apna is used if the next noun is masculine singular. Use apne if the next noun is masculine plural or to show respect, and if the next noun is masculine singular and is followed by a case sign. Apne is used if the next noun is feminine singular or plural. Now let us see the examples for Nijvachak Sarvanam, that is called reflexive pronoun. Number 1, Ram apna kaam kar raha hai. Ram is doing his work. Meera apne kapde dho rahi hai. Meera is washing her clothes. पिताजी अपने कमरे में सोते हैं. Father sleeps in his room. वे अपनी चीज़ें बेचते हैं. They sell their goods. रम्या अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठी है. Ramya sits on her chair. Now let us see Visheshan, that is called adjectives. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. It says or describes the quality, that is acha, quantity, bahut, number, teen of a noun. If sa, say, see is attached to an adjective, it intensifies the idea. Example, thoda sa काम, बहुत से लोग, छोटी सी बात. According to the last letter of the word, the adjectives in Hindi are of two kinds. Those ending in a, अच्छा, काला, छोटा, ठंडा. Now let us see Visheshan, adjectives. Adjectives ending in a follows a, e rule according to the gender and number of the nouns or pronouns they qualify or describe. Example, अच्छा लड़का, good boy. It is masculine singular. अच्छे लड़के, good boys. It is masculine plural. अच्छे पिताजी, good father. Even though it is masculine singular, to show respect, it is treated as masculine plural. अच्छे लड़के को, to the good boy, masculine singular followed by a case sign. अच्छी लड़की, good girl, it is feminine singular. अच्छी लड़कियां, good girls, feminine plural. The following adjectives ending in a do not change at all. Example, sawa, badiya, umda, dukiya, irrespective of the gender and number of the noun or pronoun. Examples, sundar ladka, handsome boy, masculine singular. Garib log, poor people, masculine plural. Garam chai, hot tea, feminine singular. Kurup imarate, ugly buildings, feminine plural. Safed kagas par, on white paper, noun followed by case sign. There are four kinds in adjectives. The first one, gunvachak visheshan, that is adjectives of quality. The example is safe meeta pal hai, which means the apple is a sweet fruit. Second one, sanya vachak visheshan, which is adjectives of number. Example is Ramesh pehli shreni mein pass karta hai, which means Ramesh passes out in first class. Third one, pariman vachak visheshan, which is called adjectives of quantity. Example is Bharat mein अधिक नदियाँ होती हैं. There are many rivers in India. The fourth one, निर्देशक या सार्वनामिक विशेषण, which is called demonstrative adjectives. The example is वो बड़ी इमारत न्यायालय है. The meaning is that big building is a court. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the bell button too to get the notifications for my updated videos. See you next time. Dhanyabad.